Hey everyone, this is Sugar Coder. In this video, I will be showing you how I made mint matcha chiffon cupcakes using Leaf Fix organic matcha powder. This matcha powder is good for baking. So to make these delicious mint matcha chiffon cupcakes, I separated the egg whites from the egg yolks first. Chiffon cake texture is supposed to be light and fluffy, so by separating the egg whites, we can make the texture fluffier. In a mixing bowl, I added the wet ingredients and mixed everything well together. Then, I added the dry ingredients and blended everything well. Afterwards, I folded in the egg whites, which I whipped up till stiff peaks. After everything is combined well, I put the cupcake mixture into baking cups and baked them in an oven. And once they cooled completely, I decorated the top with minty vanilla buttercream frosting and edible decorations. These cupcakes are so easy to make and they are perfect for this winter holiday season. If you're interested in making these cupcakes or want to know where I got Leaf Fix matcha powder, the list of ingredients and links are in the video description. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.